Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install pre-commit hooks for Git in VS Code, complete guide step by step clearly. To install pre-commit hooks for Git in Visual Studio Code, start by opening your terminal. Ensure you have Python installed, as pre-commit requires it to run. If you don't have Python, you can download and install it from the official website. Next, check if you have Git installed on your machine. You can verify this by running the command git version in your terminal. If Git is not installed, download it from the official Git website. Now, let's install the pre-commit package. You can do this using pip, the Python package installer. In your terminal, type pip install pre-commit and press enter. Once installed, navigate to your Git repository where you want to add the pre-commit hooks. Use the command cd path / to / your / repository, replacing the path with your actual repository path. Next, create a configuration file for pre-commit hooks. You can do this by running the command touch.precommitconfig.yaml. Open this YAML file in Visual Studio Code. Now, you can add your desired hooks to this configuration file. For example, to add a hook that checks for trailing whitespace, you would include the following lines. Ensure your file includes the repos and hooks sections. Each hook will specify a repo and its configuration. Save the changes to the .precommitconfig.yaml file. With the configuration complete, you need to install the pre-commit hooks defined in the file. In the terminal, run the command precommit install. This command will set up the hooks to run automatically before each commit. To test if everything is working, try making a commit in your repository. If there are any issues as per the hooks you set up, they will be shown in the terminal. You can modify your files accordingly based on the feedback provided by the hooks. This setup not only helps maintain code quality but also ensures consistency across your project. To update pre-commit in the future, just run precommit auto-update in your terminal. Now you have a fully functioning pre-commit hook setup in Visual Studio Code. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.